Hi everybody, it's Cindy at Upcycle Design Lab. A couple of weeks ago I took you on a tour of my Christmas decorations that I've made over the years from What Else But Trash. And if you missed that video, you can check it out in the link right in the corner above. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a similar tour, showing you some of the decorations that I've made for Valentine's Day. I don't have nearly as many decorations, but I did get a little inspiration this year to make a few things, so I decided to decorate for this holiday as well. If you stay tuned in the coming weeks, I'll be doing full tutorials on the projects that I'm going to show you in this video, and I'll also be adding links to the comments of this video as I upload new projects. Alright, so I just have three basic areas that I've put decorations. This is the smallest one, and this is actually a box that I made a couple years ago, and it's just made out of cereal boxes, and it has a little lid that fits on top. And then I also made some matching paper. It's just fun to make, take book paper and you can crinkle it up and dye it to match, so it just gives it a little texture there. Next I have these little gift boxes. I put pictures on them, and they also spell out the word KISS if you turn them around. But they are also little gift boxes that just open up. So these are two tutorials that are already done, and I'll put links in the video for those. Then the rest of the display, I made this silly white puffy frame out of grocery bags and some plastic food wrapper foil. If you've seen my other videos, you know I like the foil a lot. And then I saw this quote and I just kind of liked it, so I decided to put it on a display of my own. And this is just made out of an old cookie sheet that I spray painted with some silver spray paint. And the decorations are cut out of tin can lids and then rusted and painted a little bit to make this decoration. And then they're just held on with magnets, so you can move them around as you like. I do also have this metal wine rack, and I did a few more little tin can lids for the display here. And just to make it a little more, give it a little depth and texture, I just sort of stacked up some magnets for some of the pieces so that they'd stand out a little bit more. Anyway, I like the way the colors turned out on all of the tin can lids. So that's the dining room area, and now I'm going to show you the mantle. Alright, so here's my Valentine mantle. I had this crazy gigantic rose that I just thought should be out for Valentine's Day, so I added that to the display. Then I did these silly little puff balls out of an old plastic tablecloth. It was actually under our Christmas tree, and the cats shredded it this year, so rather than throw it away, I just kind of cut it up and made some other designs. The white is more plastic grocery bag. So those are my little hanging puff balls, I guess. The candlesticks are made out of found objects. If you look closely, you can see that the bottom was a Dole fruit cup. And they're just glued together in different heights. And lastly, I have this, I call it my twisted tree. It's made out of more of the pie tins. I made some pie tin decorations for the Christmas decoration, but I don't know, the light is not very good on this. Anyway, I just kind of stamped some different words on the hearts, twisted up some of the pie tin and to make the branches and the tree, And I also made some little lovebirds for the tree. So like I said before, stay tuned. I will be posting full tutorials on these projects if you're interested. And that's it for my mantle display. All right, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and checking out my blog at www.upcycledesignlab.com.